Hello. हेलो। आवाज आ रहा है? We now start the second topic of the air pollution, how to control the air pollution. And they use the equipment to control air pollution. Which type of equipments use the control of air pollution? Okay. Hello. Chandripikas, audible?
यस सर।
Okay. और वो ज्वाइन करेगा?
सर किए मैसेज तो कुछ कुछ बोला कर रहे हैं।
ओके ओके, ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं।
यस सर।
Okay. Then to which type of equipments used in the Okay, now this is the which type of equipments used in the control the air pollution. That is the common control device and the pollutants, and examples is the where used. And the common control device you all are known such as the ESP. Example of the ESP. ESP तुम समझते हो क्या होता है? What is the ESP? This type of device used in the power plant. Such type of ESP is the all types of dust to control the from the ESP. ESP's full form is the electrostatic precipitator. This I found the fly ash. Okay, all types of suppose chimney burn the coal. This is the all types of pollution. This is the directly in the ESP, and ESP does convert the fly ash. Okay, this is a common control device. This is the first you known about the AQI. What is the AQI? Suppose air quality index depend on the air pollution. Like AQI is 0 to 50 is the good, but just like increase the 100, 200 something, the AQI is the very dangerous for the human beings. Okay, this is the many types of disease increased. So how to control the air pollutants? The air pollution control from such type of equipments used in the The first one is the used pack towers, spray chamber, venturi scrubber, carbon absorbers, fabric filter, suppose bag house, you all are known, and crystallic reactors, cyclone, ESP, incinerators, and biofilters. Such type of equipments use the control the air pollution. Which type of pollutants? This suppose we pack the towers, spray chambers, venturi scrubber, the pollutants minimize this type of pollution. Pollutants, gases, vapors, sulfur dioxide, soil particles, and liquid droplets. Such type of pollutants control from this type of devices. This device, a spray chamber, venturi scrubber, and pack tower. And examples were used. This type of pollutants, this type of control device used where means a sulfur and concrete batch plant, okay, coal burning power plant. I just like discussed coal burning power plant. So this type of uh, as controlled by the pack towers, spray chamber, and venturi scrubber. And second is the carbon absorber. Okay, they absorb the carbons. Which type of pollutants? The vapor phase, VOCs, hazardous gas pollutants. Okay, and we are used soil emission facilities, well refineries, steel mills, and printers. And in the printers, use the carbon absorber. And third one is the controlling device, the fabric filter. This is a particular matter. Particular matter means PM10 and 2.5 directly depend on the air AQI, air quality index. Okay, suppose PM10 is the size increased, and the PM2.5 size is very minimum size. The PM10 directly impact on the atmosphere. PM2.5 due to the help of the water sprinkling, this PM10 is settled on the ground, but PM2.5 not settled on the ground, the help of the water sprinkling. Okay, only PM10 is the settle on the ground. I use the water sprinkling. PM2.5 flow in the to and fro in the atmosphere, directly enter in the use the help of the breath in your body. This is directly affect the lungs and kidneys. Okay, this type of particular matter is that very dangerous for the human. Such type of used where used a sulfate batch plant, steel mills, foundries, fertilizer plant. In these places, use the this type of particular matter. The main role of the particular matter in the air pollution. This is the two type of particular matter, PM10 and PM2.5. गुड, किसी को प्रॉब्लम यहां तक? पीएम क्या होता है, पार्टिकुलर मैटर क्या होता है, कोई बताएगा? एनीवन? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये तुम लोगों को जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि AQI क्या होता है, इसको कैसे हम लोग इसको यूज करते हैं. आज का AQI कितना है? तुम लोग जहां पे हो वहां का AQI कितना है आज?
सर यहाँ 201 है.
तो कैसा है वो, किस टाइप का?
एवरेज.
एवरेज, एवरेज है
मतलब पुअर क्वालिटी है सर
या
एयर का.
पुअर क्वालिटी एयर का. एयर क्वालिटी जो पुअर क्वालिटी इस टाइप में तुम अगर निकलोगे तो कंटिन्यूसली अगर ऐसा रहेगा तो डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट योर बॉडी. तुम्हारा नोज इचिंग होगा, थॉट इचिंग. दिस टाइप ऑफ पॉल्यूशन में तुम मूव करते हो 200 प्लस है तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. In the crystallic reactors, these are pollutants, these are VOCs gases, means we are used to landfills, valve furnace, printing and paint shops. Cyclones all are known. Cyclone is last PM, last particular matter. Okay, and this is the examples. We are used wood shop. Okay, pharmaceutical manufacturing, actual rocks crusher, cement plants. Okay, ESPs, particular matter, directly depend. Used power plant, steel, paper mills, smelters, cement plants, refineries. This type of ESP used in the only the power plant, steel plant. This is big plants. Okay. तुम लोग देखे हो ESP कैसा होता है? हम लोग वहां से
नहीं
हम
सर।
लोग को फ्लाइस फाउंड होता है, जो इसका जो पावर प्लांट में जो भी स्टील प्लांट जो बर्न होता है कोल डायरेक्टली जाता है ESP में, ESP उसको क्या कन्वर्ट करता है फ्लाइस में, देन यू यूज द फ्लाइस ब्रिक्स. Okay, incinerators, uses gases, fumes, as PM. This is the example of soil contaminated with the gasoline, ink, and printing, hazardous waste disposal. And last one is the biofilters. Okay, Vox, order, S2S, mercaptans. This is the use in the waste water treatment plant. This is the use the biofilter. You all unknown about is the wastewater treatment plant. Okay, then now particulate controlled equipments on the basics mechanism. This is the gravitational settling, centrifugal impaction, and the internal impaction, direct interception, diffusion, and electrostatic precipitation. This is the ESP. Okay, these type of mechanism use the control the particulate matter. This is the many types of pollutants. This is a C in the gravitational settling chamber. You see this type of the gravitational settling chamber. They remove the large material as abrasive particles from the gas streams. Okay, is from the help of the gravitational settling chamber. And then the second required a simple maintenance. It is not a high maintenance. It is a simple maintenance. Only you remove the all type of dust and the big size of the particles. Okay. Then the particulate matter is settled by its own weight by the lowering of the flue gas velocity. This is a PM10. Suppose PM10 is the big particle. Suppose example, this settle on the on weight. And PM2.5 knots is settled on the on weight. PM2.5 they move in the air. Okay, this is a very dangerous. Is a PM10 dangerous है क्या PM2.5? कोई बताएगा? Which type of particle matter dangerous, very dangerous? Anyone? कौन सा dangerous है? This is a very dangerous the PM2.5. This is a very dangerous because this is very small particles, not the big particle. Big particles is on weight settle on the ground from the help of the water sprinkling, but 2.5 is not settle on the ground. This is a without is air is the move in the air. It is essential consists of a chamber in which the velocity of the gas is decreased so that particles in the gas settle down by the gravity. This is the use the gravitational chamber. Okay. Then large velocity of a gas is reduced by the expanding the ducting into a chamber of a suitable dimension so that a low gas velocity is obtained. Its efficiency can be increased by providing plates or buffers. In this type of chamber, this is the provide the plates and rods. This is the many types of plates available in the gravitational chamber and the buffers and cyclone separator. Secure cyclone. Cyclone separator use the separation of a solid from fluids. Okay, and the separation based both on particle size and particle density, which type of size of particles and is the particle density in the based on the separation. Okay, it uses centrifugal force to effect the separation. Centrifugal force कैसे लगता है? एक होता है सेंट्रीपिटल एंड सेंट्रीफ्यूगल, और गाड़ी का टर्निंग पे मूव करता है वहां पे कौन सा फोर्स लगेगा? कोई बताएगा? Anyone? अगर तुम बाइक चलाते हो, अगर वहां पे टर्निंग आता है तो वहां पे कौन सा फोर्स लगता है? कोई नहीं। Okay, actually this is a force of centrifugal force. It consists essentially a short vertical cylinder closed at the top and by a conical bottom. This is the air with its load of solid introduced tangentially at the top, and solid particles drop into the hopper and outlets air pass through the top central portion. Okay, and then use the widely used for the collecting the wood chips, heavy and coarse dust. This is the type of cyclone separators. You separate the particle size and particle fluids. Okay, solid particles you separate and fluids is separate. This cyclone separator. Then now this is the image of the cyclone separator and a fabric filter or bag house. What is a fabric filter? Yeah, bag house. Anyone कोई आइडिया है तुम लोग को फैब्रिक फिल्टर के बारे में? व्हाट इज द अबाउट द फैब्रिक फिल्टर, विच टाइप ऑफ फैब्रिक फिल्टर? कोई नहीं बताएगा? The fabric collector filter to separate dust particulates and the from the dusty gas. And then now this the most efficient and cost effective type of dust collectors available and can achieve a collection efficiency of more than 99% for very fine particulates. Okay, this is of the 99% of very fine particulates. This is the fabric filter. And the dust laden gases enter the bag house and pass through fabric bags, and act as a filter. The bag can be woven and felted cotton, synthetic, glass fibers material in the either a tube or envelope shape. Okay, the advantages include retention of finest particles collection or particulates in dry form and low pressure drop. Okay, as classified by cleaning method, three common type of bag house are this is the mechanical shaker, reverse air and the reverse jet, and the three type of the fabric filter and the bag house. You see how to work the mechanical shaker, how to work the reverse air, how to work the reverse jet. कोई बताएगा कि हाउ कैसे काम करता है मैकेनिकल शेकर? सिव शेकर समझते हो? सिव शेकर जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में, जो हम लोग को किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? बताएगा कोई? The mechanical shaker uses the all types of dust. You help of the movement vibrator. Then you all type of dust and particles in, settle the bottom apart. Okay, and reverse shear back, and one is the drop and one is the bottom side, and one another is the upper side. And last one is the reverse jet bag house. In the all types of reverse process work, the reverse process. Okay. Then now electrolysis respirator, ESP. ESP is the very important for the power plant and steel plant. There is all types of dust control from the ESP and is a convert to the fly ash. And a particulate collection device that removes Particles from a flowing gas, such as air, using the force of an induced electrostatic charge, highly efficient filtration, okay, device that minimally impairs the flow of gas through the device and can easily remove fine particulate matter such as dust and smoke from the air streams. Okay, and this is the ESP applies energy only to the particulate matter being collected and therefore is very efficient in its consumption of energy. Okay, and the ESPs apply energy only the particulates matter being collected and therefore is very efficient in its consumption of energy. So this is the ESP. And then now this is the you or see the ESP. This is the first housing, electrical power supply, the thermal insulation, access door, and this type of shape of the ESP. Okay, wrapping system, gas distribution device, plant and wire supporting forms, suppose electrical insulator, this type of many types of equipments available in the ESP. This is how to control the all types of dust of the steel plant and such as power plant. Acid gas SO2 control. How to control the acid gas such as SO2? Is the flue gas. How to control the flue gas? And use the remove SO2 from the exhaust flue gas of fossil fuel power plants. Okay, use the remove the SO2 and a must flue gas dissolution system FGD employed two stages, one for fly ash and removal and other for the SO2 removal. This is the help of the FGD. Clear? This is the very important. And one is the fly ash removal and second one is the SO2 removal. The work the separate flue gas. And the second, third one is the in-wet scrubbing system. The flue gas normally passes first through a fly ash removal device. Either an electrostatic precipitator or a wet scrubber and then into the SO2 absorber. Okay. In dry injection or spray drying operations, the SO2 is first reacted with the solvent and then the flue gas passes through a particulate control device. Hydrodesulfurization of fuels has been used for treating fuel oils before use and fluidized bed combustion acid lime to the fuel during combustion. The lime react with the SO2 to form sulfates which become part of the ash. So this is the flue gas desulfurization. Then hydrodesulfurization HDS is the crystal chemical process widely used, and then the industrial hydrodesulfurization process means SDS include the facilities for the capture and removal of the resulting H2S gas, which converted to the byproduct elements sulfur of the sulfuric acid. This is the equations C2H5SS plus H2 you add, then which type of remove the C2S6 plus H2S. This type of reactions takes place in the fixed bed reactors at elevated temperatures ranging from 300 to 400 degrees Celsius and elevated pressure ranging from 30 to 130 atmospheres in the presence of a crystal consisting of an aluminum base impregnated with the cobalt and the molybdenum uses the called as COMO and a catalyst or nickel that molybdenum called NEMO. And the dry scrubber, 1 minute. Okay. Then now this is the reaction takes place 3 to 4 Celsius. Okay. And in the 30 to 130 atmosphere in the presence of a catalyst. Then now a dry scrubber. Dry scrubber used in the system are often used to the removal of odorous and aquatic gases. Okay. This type of dry scrubbers use the removal of the odors, and the dry scrubbing system can be categorized as a dry sorbent injectors or as a spray dryer absorber. And dry sorbent injection involve, okay, the additional of the and alkaline materials, usually hydrated lime or sodas, into the gas stream to act with the acid gases. And then now in a spray dryer absorber, and the main types of dry scrubbing system, dry sorbent injections, a spray dryer absorber, and the spray dryer absorber. Okay, so this type of spray dryer is the flue gases are introduced into an absorbing towers in a dryer, and where the gases are contacted with the finally atomized alkaline slurry. Okay, and the spray dryer and dry solvent injections. Any doubt? And the two types of use the dryer and wet, dry and wet scrubber. Wet scrubber, the polluted gas stream is brought into contact with the scrubbing liquid. Okay, by spraying in with the liquid or by forcing it through a pool or liquid, so as to remove the pollutants. This type of help of the wet scrubber means, suppose the two types of pollutants is, the first one is the dry and wet, and dry conditions is the we use the dry scrubber, and wet conditions is a liquid form. This is the way the wet scrubber. Okay, so which type of scrubber used? In the wet conditions, the pollutant gas streams use the wet scrubber. These are many types of liquid formed by forcing through flue of liquid, such as the remove the pollutants. And then the reaction taking place in wet scrubbing using CaCO3, this limestones, and salary can be expressed as, and the CaCO3 is the solid form and SO2 is the gas. Then reaction is the CaSO3 solid plus CO2 is the gas. Okay, and then when it is wet scrubbing with a MgOs to magnesium hydroxide slurry. Okay, this is the MgOs2 magnesium hydroxide slurry. This is MgOs is a solid form and SO2 is the gaseous form. And then solid plus liquid S2O in the liquid. There's a Venturi scrubber. You see the Venturi, the high pressure spray nozzle, and then enter the gases and the high pressure spray nozzle. You give the from the outlet. Okay. Then is a converging and diverging section of dust. Okay, and accelerates the gaseous steam to high velocity when the liquid steam is injected at the throat, which is the point of maximum velocity. The turbulence caused by the high gas velocity atomizes the liquid into a small droplet. Okay, which creates the surface area necessary for mass transfer to take place. The higher the pressure drop in the Venturi, the smaller the droplets and the higher the surface area. The penalty is the power consumption. For simulation removal of HO2 and fly ash, Venturi scrubber can be used. This type of scrubbers, Venturi scrubber, use the remove the whatever pollutants. Then packed bed scrubber consists of a tower is packing material. Okay, consists of a tower is packing material inside in the shape of saddles, rings, or some highly specialized shapes designed to the maximize contact area between the dirty gas and liquid. Okay, and the packed tower typically operate a much lower pressure drop than Venturi scrubber and are therefore cheaper to operate. They also typically offer higher SO2 removal efficiency. The drawback of the truck that have a greater tendency to plug up the particles present in the excess in the exhaust air streams. This is the packed bed scrubbers, and this is the Venturi scrubber. This is the use the pressures. This type of packed bed scrubbers, and the spray tower is the this form. Okay, the simplest type of a scrubbers, it consists of a tower with a spray nozzles which generate the droplets for surface contact, and the spray tower are typically used when circulating a slurry. The high speed of a Venturi would cause erosion problem, while a packed tower would plug up if it tried to circulate a slurry. Okay, so this is the spray tower. This type of form, a spray tower.